there was a story of this young boy who worked in the produce department at a grocery store, and one day he's out straightening out the produce, and a woman comes up, an older woman, and she says, "Son," she says, "I'm all by myself, and I would like to buy just a half a head of lettuce." And the young man says, "Well, ma'am," I says, "we don't sell half heads of lettuce. I can sell you a whole head. I can pick out a really good whole head, maybe a smaller whole head of lettuce, but we don't sell half heads." "No, son, I would just like a half a head of lettuce." And the young boy said, "Well, let me go back and ask my manager." So the young boy went back to his manager, and he says, "You're not going to believe this. There's some knucklehead woman out there that wants to buy only a half a head of lettuce." And he turns around and he sees that woman standing right there behind him. And he smiles and he says, "And this wonderful woman would like to buy the other half." We use our words, be careful how we use our words, what words we use, and be good at thinking quickly.